Hello, welcome. Cat and Barry here. We are so happy to be here with you all. We are a fitness and wellness company, Glorified Bodies Fitness, and we're here to serve you. And we have a lot to chit chat about today. We're going to do some movement. We're going to talk about some wellness things. We're going to do a little massaging. And we have a trivia, right? We have a trivia question. So we're going to have that for you. But we're here for you. Here to help you to move better, to feel better, less aches, less pains. So we'll get some our fitness tips and wellness and health tips. And we hope that you run with them, right? And use it to help yourself. And we'll try to read this. It's small. Yeah, you can put your name in here if you want, because sometimes we don't know the icon, who it is. Okay. Yes. All right. So we're going to begin. Barry's, I think he's going to start us off.
I just wanted to check to make sure that was going out to
yes.
you too.
Okay. So my husband is checking to see if we are indeed live. So we hate to not be live. I believe we are. All right. Okay. So what you need is, if you have a little squishy ball or something you can just toss. So this will be for later on for our partner exercises. We're going to do a ball toss. So we're going to be working balance and flexibility. We're going to be doing some rotations with the ball with our partner and do a ball pass around and a ball toss. And we're going to do a leg swinging exercise, which I love. So instead of grabbing some drugs, sometimes they can do the reverse for you and cause more pain. It will alleviate at first, but sometimes some drugs can cause more pain because they'll eat away at your joints. So I want us to your body and see, hey, maybe there's some natural alternatives that would work. And then, of course, you're going to get to the root of the problem and find it, and then all the other problems go away. All right, he's ready.
Yeah, absolutely. So I've written down some documents here, so don't sweat that. So today we're brought to you by your body, just like in all those other programs. You take care of it, it'll take care of you. And Herbs by Herb-Gotti. Now he's a good buddy of ours, and we're going to do a detox with him to take out the heavy metals and the parasites.
Where can we find him?
You can find him at TikTok at Herbs by Herb-Gotti, and type that in, and we'll placefitness.com. Work out your entire body. So you go to our website and you see glorifiedbodiesfitness.com, and you'll see the products that we offer in terms of exercise. Today, a little information for you about your face. Your face is on your head, and your head is on your neck, and your neck is on your shoulders. The head weighs about 5 kilograms, so about 11 pounds. That's pretty heavy, so when you're doing a lot of exercise, moving around, that's a lot of weight on your neck. Also, this is public service, this announcement. We're not doctors, nor do we play doctors on TV. So anything we say at this point is for your enlightenment, but not necessarily. If you have a problem, see your doctor. Make sure you see your doctor. We're not trying to substitute anything for seeing your doctor.
Now, anytime your head's forward, remember he says 11 pounds, right? So you got 45 pounds of pressure on the cervical vertebrae when your head's like that. So that will stream all the way down your back, cause back issues, hip issues if you're like that. And
the face has 43 muscles, and that controls 10,000 facial responses in the eyes, the nose, the lips, the ears, so forth and so on. And to smile, it only takes 17 muscles, and to frown, it takes 43. So it's easier to smile than it is to frown.
Yeah.
So that's a little information that I pulled up for you. All right, that was exciting.
Y'all
I can see
ready to
the
move?
excitement
ready?
in your face.
You can always play this back if you missed some of it. Just go back to our channel, to the live section, and you see whatever you missed. Okay, and then you can keep going back and redo these exercises. You ready to move?
Yes, dear.
Okay, so you just need a partner, maybe a cat, dog, maybe. No, okay.
Or if you do it by yourself, all you do is pass the ball around. We're
Yeah.
going to do a pass around this point.
Yeah, so see if you can grab a partner, or you can do it without a partner. So to pass around, okay, so what do we, let's back it up. You can see our feet a little bit. So I guess, how close are we, dear?
Can you see it?
We're pretty close
That's
here.
good.
But just, yeah. Are we reversing or just the same direction?
Same
Okay,
for
so same direction.
5, 4,
And look, so you work
3,
your neck, and you don't have to go fast.
2,
You can though. You don't have to.
and 1. Now we'll go the other way.
Okay.
5. Amazing. 4.
Coordination here.
3, 2,
It's a great stretch on the arm as well.
and 1.
All right, that was the pass around. All right, what's next?
You tell me.
Let's save the challenge for last. Yeah.
It's right there.
So
What's next?
Yeah, all right, we'll do the challenge now. So this is a ball toss, and what we're gonna do is on one leg. And if you can, toss with one hand.
Oh, both.
So while we're doing this though, our feet foot is gonna touch. Oh my goodness. So we gotta lock. Okay, we're locking ankles here. Okay, how many? 10?
5.
That's it?
Yeah, we'll switch.
Okay.
5,
Okay.
4, 3, 2,
You can't fall.
and 1. Big round of applause. Was that not great?
I like
Did
that
put a
one.
smile on your face?
Okay. Switching sides.
Switching sides.
I don't know why. Right?
I don't know why either.
Silly.
Switch hands.
And switch hands.
Switch
and
hands.
feet. Okay.
Right.
Back so we can see the hook around the
Here we
ankle.
go.
The hook.
The hook.
Use your peripherals.
Yeah, right. 5,
Receptors. Ooh.
4,
Ooh, that's more challenging.
3,
Lefty. Oh no.
2,
Did he lose it? I lost him.
and 1.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, so we want to have fun. Well, I do when I work out. I like to have fun. So the main point here is movement. They want to get you moving, and especially if you don't like exercises, what's the point, right? Okay, last thing, we don't need a ball, right? We just need to hold hands. We're going to do our leg swings. This one's great for your hip mobility, flexibility, and just feels good, a little traction. So we can, hopefully we'll hit our feet together. We just swing. Oh my God,
5,
this is not easy.
4,
We're working the core.
3, 2, and 1.
And it feels really good.
I think it's broke again.
It feels really good.
It's broke again. Thank you for your comments.
So we're just giving you a little, but you can do a lot more.
Ready?
All right, yeah.
5, 4,
Breathe.
3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Boom, boom.
Ooh, that was good. All right. Got any questions for us before we bid you adieu? And
This was only a quick one. Hopefully, we'll be doing this frequently if we get our act together. And
we can do longer sessions, but we also you can book with us at glorifiedbodiesfitness.com. Training sessions. We have a cookbook, digital cookbook that you can get online.
And she's writing another book while we're standing
here. If you need help,
you can turn it vertical now.
I don't know if that works. Yeah.
Hi.
Oh. Oh, awesome. All right. It's so tiny. Oh, it's so hard. It's gonna be so hard. It's right back at you. Yeah, you. In person, some of you, okay? All right. Any questions? Go ahead and shoot, put them some in the chat there in the comments, and we'll respond back. All right. Peace and love. And we'll see you next time.